This is my cat Tom. I'm going to see if he can yawn for us. I'm doing it here because last time he yawned, he was scratching himself, and then he yawned, so you couldn't see it. So let's see if he does it again. Tom. Wait, let me get closer. Tom. Okay, seriously, Tom, don't move. Stay. Come on, put your feet up. Seriously, just Tom. And now he's showing the camera his face. Tom, you don't have to push me. Tom, head up. And now he's on my leg. Tom, seriously. Now, seriously, I need you to yawn for the camera. I wonder if he yawned yet.